Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to sync your Fire Stick remote to the TV volume and add a TV. So if your remote has a volume button but it's not working, I'll show you how to fix it. What you can do, you come all the way right from the main home screen and come to the settings. Or you can hold the home button on your remote control and this will bring up this menu. And what you can do then is you can come to the settings. But if you're on the home screen, you can come all the way right and select settings. And then once you're in the settings, what you want to do is come down and select equipment control. Then come down and select manage equipment. Then within the manage equipment, you want to come down and select TV. Now here you can see all the buttons what control your TV. But what I'd do is come down to the very bottom and select change TV. It'll tell you this will take between 5 and 10 minutes. It normally doesn't, so don't worry about that. It is much quicker, it's usually around a minute. So what we can do is select change TV. Then it'll start to look and try and guess which TV you're using. If it can't guess, as it won't for me because I'm screen recording here and I'm not plugged into a TV, which brand of TV do you have? And then you can select it. Then what will happen then, you'll go through a setup process, changing the volume, making sure that works and things like that, and the power button, and then it'll sync to your TV and you'll be able to use the volume and any other power buttons that are on your remote control. So that's how to sync your Fire Stick remote to the TV volume and add your TV. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.